Hello everybody and welcome to Konakago. Today we are going to unbox a printer, and this printer is it is EPSON. It is first time for me to use EPSON, and just I want to see the EPSON WF3725. I'm using a knife, and you can use any sharp cutters. Safety and be aware. Wow, nicely protected with rubber, and here is two CD drivers. I'm moving all the stuff outside, and then I have to pull out the product. It's almost 8.6 kilograms. It is not it's pretty much heavy, so I'll pull it out, and then I will see. I hope it will work, because unfortunately I bring the first one, and it is really bad. There is a technical problem, so I return it, and now they give me this new one to see how it will work. So finger crossed, and we will wait to see. Some of this blue adhesive is pretty much difficult to remove. They are in a narrow area and tiny places, so must be very careful, because in case of any mistake, you are going to make a scratch, and it will be a real problem, because when you are trying to return it back, in case of it's dysfunction, so they will never accept it. So this is my advice to you. It's very easy with user manual to install the electric wire, and then here we go. Push on button and follow the guide on the screen to make the adjustment. And here is the second stage. We start with the CD drivers. So the first CD drivers is 1.0. We put this one when we finish it, and then we start with the second one, 1.1. So it will take a long time to finish it, and it's up to your PC, Android or iOS. Almost done. Make checkup for your printer, and I wish you a lovely day or a lovely night. Down below you can get a link for EPSON. There you can get drivers and many advices. So have a nice time.